Hello everyone, myself Miss Lokhande Vaijayanti Mahesh, B Farm, lecturer at Mula Rural Institute of Pharmacy Sonai. Today in this lecture we will going to discuss about digestive system part first. This section for first year D pharmacy student. In this lecture we will going to discuss about introduction to digestive system, definition related to digestive system, different organ and accessory gland. Firstly, we will discuss what is digestion. It is a process of converting complex form of substance into the simpler form called as digestion. Digestion involves breaking down of food into smaller pieces. Next, the mixing of food. Next, movement through the digestive tract. And next, chemical breakdown of the large molecules of food into the smaller molecule. See in this diagram, this is a diagrammatic presentation of digestive system. In that, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, rectum, appendix, large intestine, gallbladder and liver. So, what is digestive system? The organ that take in food and liquid and break down them into substance that the body can use for energy, growth and tissue repair. Digestion involves the breakdown of food into smaller and smaller components until they can be absorbed and eliminated into the body. Digestive system start at the mouth and end at the anus. Next, organ of the digestive system. The major organ of digestive system are first one mouth, second pharynx, third esophagus, fourth stomach, next small intestine, next large intestine and rectum. Next one, different accessory digestive organ. In that, first liver, next gallbladder, next pancreas and last one salivary gland. All are considered as accessory organ of digestive system. Next one, we will discuss function of GIT tract. First function is injection, that is taking of food into the alimentary tract, that is eating and drinking. Second, propulsion, that is mix and move the content along the alimentary tract. Next one, digestion. Digestion consists of mechanical breakdown of food, that is mastication means chewing. Chemical digestion of food into small molecule by enzymes. Fourth one, absorption. This is the process by which digested food substance passes through the walls of some organ of the alimentary canal into the blood for circulation. Last one, elimination. Food substance that have been eaten but cannot be digested and absorbed are excreted from alimentary canal as feces by the process of defecation. In that first organ is mouth. Mouth involve mechanical digestion. In that teeth bite off and chew food into the salt pulp that can easy to swallow. Second function of mouth is chemical digestion. Saliva from your mouth is the beginning of your digestive system. The teeth in your mouth are very important because they help prepare to food to travel through the rest of digestive system. Each tooth is strong and hard enough to chew up your food. The hard surface that you see is called as crown and it covers the animal. In this diagram, we will able to see tongue, tonsil, incisors, soft palate and vulva. Next is tongue. Then what is tongue? The tongue is a muscular organ in the mouth that manipulates food for mastication and is used in the act of swallowing. It is of importance in digestive system and is the primary organ of taste in the gustatory system. Next one, teeth. Function of teeth: mastication, that is chewing; deglutition, that is swallowing; next one, speech; and last one, taste. The human teeth function to mechanically break down items of food by cutting and crushing them in a preparation for swallowing and digesting. Humans have 4 types of teeth, that is incisors, canine, premolar and molar, each with a specific function. In this diagram, we will able to see that first one, canine, next lateral incisors, central incisor, first premolar, second premolar, first molar, third molar and second molar. Next, what is primary teeth? Among deciduous, that is primary teeth, 10 are found in the maxilla, that is upper jaw, and 10 in mandible, that is lower jaw, for a total 20. The dental formula for primary teeth is 2.1, 0.2 slash 2.1 and 0.2 start to come at about 6 months of age. In the primary set of teeth, 2 types of incisors, that is central and lateral, 1 canine and 2 types of molar, that is first and second. All primary teeth are normally later replaced with their permanent counterpart. Next one, permanent teeth. Among permanent teeth, 16 are found in the maxilla and 16 in the mandible, for a total 32. The dental formula is 2.1, 2.3 slash 2.1, 2.3. Age 21, all 32 of permanent teeth have usually interrupt. The permanent teeth are 2 incisors, that is for cutting, one of them central incisor and second lateral incisor, 1 canine, that is for tearing. Next, in the 2 molar, these for crushing, first premolar and second premolar, And last one, 3 molar. Function of this 3 molar is for grinding. In that 3 molar, first is first molar, next second molar and third molar. All we can see in previous diagram. This is a diagram of our teeth. In this diagram we will see the root of our teeth, neck and upper portion, that is crown, bone, nerve and blood vessel that is continuously supplied to your teeth, pulp, gum, dentine and enamel. This is a diagrammatic representation of single teeth. Next one, we will discuss saliva. Function of saliva. Saliva contribute to the digestion of food and to the maintenance of oral hygiene. Without normal salivary function, the frequency of dental caries, gum diseases and other oral problems increases sufficiently. It acts as a lubricant. Saliva coat the oral mucosa, mechanically protecting it from trauma during eating, swallowing and speaking. In people with little saliva, soreness of mouth is very common and the food, especially dry food, sticks to the inside of mouth. Then digestion. The digestive function of saliva include moistening food and helping to create food bolus. This lubricative function of saliva allows the food bolus to be passed easily from mouth into the esophagus. Last function of saliva is role in taste. Saliva is very important in the sense of taste. It is the liquid medium in which chemicals are carried to taste receptor cell, mostly associated with lineal papilla. And other function is saliva maintain the pH of mouth. Saliva is saturated with various ions. Next one, pharynx. The pharynx in the portion of digestive tract that receives the food from your mouth. Branching of the pharynx is the esophagus, which carries food to the stomach. Pharynx, also called the throat. The pharynx is the portion of the digestive tract that receives the food from your mouth. Branching of the pharynx is the esophagus, which carries food to the stomach, and the trachea or windpipe, which carries air to the lung. Next one, epiglottis. Epiglottis prevent food from entering the respiratory tract. The epiglottis is a leaf-shaped flap in the throat which prevent food from entering the windpipe and the lung. It stays open during breathing and allowing air into the larynx. The epiglottis is also important landmark for intubation. Further part of digestive system we will discuss in next video. Thank you.